Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to get started in Street Fighter 4 using an Android tablet. First of all, make sure that you have installed the application on your device. If not, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store. Once you're inside the home page of Google Play Store, go to the search icon at the bottom and type in Street Fighter 4 in the search bar. In the search result, look for the Street Fighter 4 CE game from Capcom Co. Limited. Once you're inside the info section, tap on Install. Wait for the application to install on your device, which will take several minutes. Just make sure that your Android tablet is running a modern Android version. It has at least 2 to 3 GB free storage and a stable internet connection for download. You can do this on your iOS device as well. Once you are done downloading the app, tap on the play button or the open button, and then you'll need to go ahead and complete the on-screen instructions. Agree to the terms and conditions of the game by tapping the square box and click OK. Allow required permissions such as audio, storage if prompted, and let the game complete any first-time setup. When loaded, you'll see the main menu where you can tap on the screen to start your game. Enter your nickname in the text box when prompted. After typing down your name, click on OK, and then you'll be able to start with the training mode. Follow through the instructions and learn the basic controls, and you'll be able to play the game right away. And there you have successfully started in Street Fighter 4 on an Android tablet. You'll need to take your time, practice basics, and enjoy learning one character slowly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.